This is your mortgage rate watch for Tuesday, May the 10th, and I'm Keith Akada with the Mortgage Reel. A look at the last 4 days of trading. You're going to notice that we are starting to level off, and this is a sign of where we are either going to break through and interest rates could possibly go lower, or we might have that reversal as we have been talking about. Today is very critical as we enter into a round of auctions, and with no economic data, this could sway the market very heavily. Bond auctions are going to weigh very heavily. Today we're going to in fact have $32 billion in 3-year notes being released by the Treasury. The results are going to come at 10 a.m. and again, these could weigh very heavily on the market because we're very light on economic data. The US dollar is trading stronger, and this could bring the investors into the market, but again, it's all about the grading that we're going to receive. You're going to see a pretty quick reaction to interest rates right after the 10 a.m. results come, and then we'll of course have those results posted and the impacts of what happened to mortgage rates today. Optimism amongst small business owners fell to a 7-month low in April, this coming from the National Federation of Independent Business Owners. And really what this shows is the increase in gas costs has tightened the budget of consumers out there. And with the consumers spending less, small business owners are unable to hire, and small business owners make up a big portion of the job market. Now, in thinking overall economic recovery, if the job market remains sluggish, then the economic recovery remains slow. Then we also touched on this yesterday as far as with a slow economic recovery, this does come to the benefit of the bond market. And going into the summer months in the peak real estate market, at least in Seattle and Bellevue, Washington, this could come to the benefit of any new home purchases, at least supporting our marketplace. So low interest rates possibly through the summer, but yet this is too early to call because there are a lot of volatile economic data reports that could come out, and also global concerns that could arise that automatically sway the markets heavily in a very short period of time. Make sure to leave any comments, feedback, or questions below. We'll make sure from Team Mortgage Reel to get back and answer those as quickly as possible. We have a special request we'd like to make before you leave, and hopefully you've enjoyed today's clip. Make sure to check on the home page, click on the banner at How to Beat the Banks, and that'll take you directly to our Facebook fan page. We definitely put out more and more information, and to create transparency in the financing process of home ownership. We're big advocates of home ownership, obviously, but we want to make sure it's as easy as possible to understand what's impacting and the education necessary for home ownership today. And when you're visiting us on Facebook, make sure to like us when you're there. Thanks for tuning in to Your Mortgage Rate Watch. We'll be back with more news impacting your largest investment, your home.